Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy and today we will be doing a big annual closet clean out. I was actually planning on doing this a bit later in the year, maybe in the summer, but we kind of need the space now. So I'll be showing you how I organize my closet. I feel like every year it's just hard to throw clothes away even though you know you haven't touched them in years. So we're gonna try to be more harsh. I'm going to be going to Korea and Japan later this year in the fall, and you know I'm gonna be buying a lot of clothes. Without further ado, let's just get into cleaning. So before we start, I want to actually show you how my clothes are organized right now. This is my main closet, which is actually in my mom's room. Here I have all my sweaters up top. I have some jackets and mainly hoodies. Down here I have a bunch of pants, and then I have socks, underwear, everything like that. Here I have this mirror, but inside there's space. I have hats and scarves for the winter. These are all short skirts. Then these are fabric shorts. Here I have dresses and then more dresses down here. This random thing, which is just covered by this piece of fabric. I have more pants, which honestly, I have not touched so many of these pants. In my room, I have this drawer from IKEA. I will link this down below. Big t-shirts in there and some bandeau tops. And then I have crop tees, tank tops. The third one, I have long sleeve crop tops and some arm warmers. Last, gym clothes pretty much, and sports bras. Last drawer, this is also from IKEA. I will link this down below as well. Pajamas on the top drawer. Rave outfits. And then lastly, I have jean shorts, which I also haven't worn in a few years. So I'm splitting into different piles. This pile here are the shirts that I actually wear pretty often, mostly to go to the gym. And then here I have ones that I don't wear as much, so maybe I could consider, and then I'll have a separate pile later for shirts that I don't wear and I'm gonna get rid of. I do go to the gym 3 to 4 times a week at least, but I still don't need this many t-shirts. So far, I don't know how this is going. Most of these shirts are ending up in the keep pile. So all cleared out besides this. This is the aftermath. So some of the shirts are more branded. For example, I have this Adidas shirt here. So I feel like I could potentially be able to sell this. But now that I look at it, I'm like, it's kind of cute though, but I'm not gonna wear this. This is the first shirt to go on the try to sell pile. I'm also gonna reorganize it back in later based on how much I have left. So even though I'm keeping this, I'm not gonna put it back in right away. So I have a lot of cropped tees and tanks. So for this section, I'm just gonna take them all out and then look at them from there. These are all the cropped tees. So let's get to sorting them. My knees are all red, so we're gonna kneel on this cushion. This is the aftermath of clearing out crop tops and tank tops. Now to level 3. So this drawer, I really want to clear up some space because I just don't have space. Now this drawer, there's a lot more space, and then I've organized this top shelf now. I have some of my jerseys that I don't wear, but just for memory's sake, I just put them stacked up at the top, and then I've put my blouses here. Final drawer organized. I have gym shorts on this side and just 2 pairs of leggings under there, gym tops as well as gym leggings on the bottom, sports bras random, and then here I just have belts, which honestly I don't really wear, and then just random ties for other clothing. So I haven't worn jean shorts in a few years, so I already got rid of a few last year or the year before, but this year I'm getting rid of another half of them, and I'm just gonna keep basic white pair, a distressed gray pair, a basic black pair, and this blue pair with stars. So we're covering all the bases in case jean shorts come back. Then I have one in each color and various styles, and we're done with closet space in my room. Now we'll be moving on to my closet space in my mom's room. I'm trying to see what I should tackle first here. Maybe we'll just start off with this section here. I'll just take everything out, and then the things I want to keep, we'll just put it back in. Okay, empty, but this is what we're working with. Oh my god, I took everything out, so we're gonna go through this one by one. Finished putting back all the clothes here. On this end, I have a few thicker winter jackets, and then all the way here are the hoodies. They're not organized in any way, although it vaguely looks like it's going from light to dark, but I just randomly put them in. And then this side, I have more lighter jackets that I can either layer with or wear in like spring and fall, in also no particular order. I was gonna start with all the pants there, which I have taken out. I've also organized it in the past, base like this, wider bottoms, for example, parachute pants or cargo pants, more regular jeans, dress pants or like trousers, and then sweatpants pile. But I think before that, I'm gonna go through these pants here, which pretty much never get touched. I don't even remember how I organized these, but let's go through this. Definitely with jeans, I'm gonna try and throw away majority of them because I don't really wear jeans, and if I do, I wear the same 3 pairs. These I will keep. I have this and that stain. I don't really have other pants like this. Not that I wear these that much, but I mean the stain isn't that noticeable anyway, so I'll probably keep these also. So I have like no recollection of getting these. They're kind of nice. They're like cargo pants from Zara, but okay, maybe I'll wear these later. I need to tackle the sweaters and everything up there. I think there's a good amount of the clothes up there that I can throw away. It's quite annoying having all the sweaters up there because unless I bring a chair, I can't really put stuff up, so I kind of end up like throwing it. I've taken everything out from the top there, and this is what we're left with. slight change to this section. I just stuffed my parachute pants here because I'm trying to make more space down here. Instead of putting all my bottoms, put some of my sweaters down here also. I've now organized into these that I'll be keeping. This side I am putting button-up shirts and then sweater vests. Here I have button-up cardigans. This is what we've dwindled these sweaters to, which is great. I have the knits here. This side I have quarter zips and just sweaters, and then here I have thinner long sleeve shirts. I am hungry. It is 12:30 now, so I've been doing this for like 3 hours, but we just have this one section left. I think I'm gonna finish this and then just be done with it, and then I will have lunch then. Shorts for home, shorts to wear out. Very last section. I am starving, so I'm gonna hurry up and finish this. These are all my skirts. As you can tell, there's pretty much no more space anymore, so definitely some of the ones down here that I don't really wear anymore will be getting rid of. So much more space up here now. 3.5 hours later, I have gone through my entire closet and gotten rid of quite a lot of stuff. I will be showing you how much I really am getting rid of, and also, of course, what my closet looks like now. And hopefully it won't change too much from now until I go to Asia in the fall, because I don't really plan on buying anything really. I will show you how it went. So all of this is stuff that I'm gonna try and sell. This is the clothes, not too much of stuff that I'm getting rid of, just going straight to the thrift store, Value Village. Either the condition is not great or I just don't think anyone will be interested in buying it. So now what does my new cleaned out closet look like? Let's start with this main section. All the jackets, light jackets and hoodies, sweaters, so much more space up there and in between all of these. And then down here, this used to always be just bottoms, but now I have bottoms and also some more sweaters there. This section in here is all bottoms. I have jeans and then some parachute pants here. And then this drawer, skirts, again, a lot more space. Shorts pretty much looks the same. And then I have dresses. They're organized by the top is just dresses that I wear more often, and then the bottom is ones that I don't wear as much. This drawer here, I have the pajamas, which looks pretty much the same. The festival clothing, which is also the same. And then down here, I have a few shorts, some random sentimental shirts, and more festival accessories. Last but not least, we have this drawer here. I have t-shirts, mostly for gymming, a few other t-shirts, my jersey, some blouses, some bandeau tops. I have crop tops and tanks, so much more space compared to before, especially on this side. Third drawer, here are my cropped long sleeves and some arm warmers in the back. Also a lot more space. I don't have to cram these in anymore. And then lastly, I have gym shorts, gym tops and leggings, sports bras, belts, and that's it. I hope that it inspires you to also do some spring cleaning, look through your closets, see what you're not wearing, and try and be really objective and harsh, because I know everyone be out here hoarding stuff that they don't even wear anymore. So it's time to just get rid of all of it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.